Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create a circle target chart in Excel. If you see, we have a donut chart and 87% which is our actuals and 75% is the target. So if you see, the target is represented by a thick line over here and this is exceeding the target, so it is in green color. If I put the actual as 25%, you see it is updating in a different color. And if I put it as exactly 75%, it is in green because it is either exceeding or is it equal to the target. So let's go ahead, and if you put nothing over here, you see nothing is being highlighted and just the target written over here. So let's go ahead and start creating this chart in Excel. So first, create a small table just like this. Then in the target, select the target. Write 1% over here, and this is 1 minus the sum of both of this, and I'll close it. Now in actuals we have three tags: not achieved, achieved and remaining. So not achieved is if the actual is lesser than the target. So I will say if the actuals is lesser than the target, then return to me the actual value, else return me NA. So now the actual is lesser than the target value because we have written 62% as the actual and the target was 85. The second is if it is achieved, that is if the actual, you lock it, is greater than or equal to the target, then return me the actual value, else return me NA. Now it's returning NA because the actual is not greater or equal to the target. And the remaining is 1 minus the actual. So we get 38%. Suppose we put it as 100% here. We get in achieved we get 100% and in remaining we get 0%. We do not want 0% here, we want NA to be written. So I'm writing if my actual is equal to 100%, then return me NA, else give me the difference from 100%. So I say okay. So now if you see, I get NA here. If I put it as 52%, it gives me the difference. Now let's start and create our chart. First you select your actual, you go to insert and you insert a donut chart. Let's remove this and go to border and say no line. Let's change the colors. For example, if it is not achieved, I want this blue color to be represented in a, just a minute, let me just select this series and I say this blue color represented in dark blue color and the gray to be represented in gray itself. So let me select a lighter version of this gray. So let me see if it's 25, it's in blue color. Let me check if it is achieving, for example, 90%. I want this orange color to be represented in green. Let me just select this series and do green. So I have done three color changes. First is if the actual is meeting the target, I have put it as green color. If it is not meeting the target, I have put the series as a blue color and the remaining is in gray color. Now the next is you select your target, you copy it, you select your chart and you paste it onto your chart. So if you see, we have all the three portions. Now the small portion over here is the one which we require. So we go to this portion and we say no fill, no line. We select this portion also and we say no fill, no line. And let's just select this orange and we say give it to me in a black color. So if you see, this is our target line over here. We require data labels for this. So to achieve the data label, just write data label and just write the target value and you paste it. Select these, do add data labels. If you see, we get the data labels present over here, which is 85%, 1% and 14%. Then you do format data labels and do value from cells and select this which you have just created and do OK and uncheck the values over here. Now these particular labels, we require the label only for one particular series. So for the others, let us just delete it. We go here and we delete it. So we require it only for this series over here. So I am just saying show leader lines also no. If you see, this is our target and this is what we have achieved so far. Go here, go to insert a text box, insert a text box inside and link it to your actuals. You can use any font you require. I like using the impact font and so if you see 25% is what we have achieved and 85% is the target. You can further go and increase or decrease the size of this donut over here and adjust the size as required by you. So this is fine by me. And if you enter the target as 75%, it goes down. You can adjust the data label accordingly. I think you need to put it here. Just increase the font as well for the data label. So designing aspect, you can take care of it. So this is the one. If we say 87%, it has achieved. So you see it's in green. You can adjust the data label 25%. So this data label kind of moves around, so you just need to get the actual positioning of it, but that designing you can take care of. So this is how you create a circle target chart in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.